Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn about accounting for management. Suppose you're running a hotel. You're keeping the accounts and also prepare financial statements every year. One day your friend is asking, how's your business? Is there any progress in your business? What will you do to understand the progress in your business? You have to compare the profit for some years. You take the profit and loss account and balance sheet for last 5 years. Will you be able to reach a conclusion by looking at these statements? It will be a little confusing. So, financial accounting has provided the information, but it is not completely helping in this case. We need to compare the financial statements, and for this we can use a comparative financial statement which shows comparison of financial data for 2 or more years. For comparison, we have modified the data provided by financial accounting. So, for assisting management in decision making, the accounting information has to be rearranged. Accounting for management to a large extent is the rearrangement of data provided by financial accounting in order to assist management in decision making. Management has to take a number of decisions. To take decisions, management needs accounting information. But financial accounting and cost accounting fails to give relevant information to management. Financial accounting helps to ascertain the profit or loss of the business and financial position of the business. Management accounting can be viewed as a management-oriented accounting. Basically, it is a study of managerial aspect of financial accounting. Accounting in relation to management function. It is developed mainly to help the management in discharge of its functions and for taking various decisions. Now let's see the definition of accounting for management. According to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales, any form of accounting which enables a business to be conducted more efficiently can be regarded as management accounting. The term management accounting is composed of management and accounting. It is the use of accounting information for discharging management functions, especially planning and decision making.